Here we divide 690 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 9 and it is 19. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down this 0 and it is 40. So 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 690 divided by 5 is 138. So this much for today and thanks for watching.